The Santa Fe Depot, built in 1930, also known as the Fullerton Train Depot, has been completely restored from the exterior to the lunch counter. It's like stepping back in time. It's not a museum, but there are 2 vintage cabooses parked at the station. A Metrolink train ride from Union Station to Fullerton Depot takes about 35 minutes and costs about $16 round trip. Amtrak trains run the same route and a few minutes less and cost 50% more. There are cute restaurants and a community theater within walking distance of the depot. It's just a few more minutes to Anaheim if you want to go ride the Disneyland train. There's a Rail Travel Meetup Group that meets monthly across from the Fullerton Depot. Santa Fe Depot also hosts the Southern California Railroad Days Festival each May. The event features rail equipment exhibits, model trains, memorabilia, food, and music.